Hi students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shahina. I hope all are fine and safe in your home. Let's begin the first class. In the current semester, I handled 2 papers in your class, one theory paper and one lab paper. Let's look at the brief description of our papers. Web programming using PHP is the paper which I taken in your class. The paper consists of 5 modules. Some of the portions are familiar with in your previous semesters. First module comprises HTML5 and CSS. Here HTML5 are familiar with you because you are well studied in your first semester core paper, Computer Fundamental and HTML. And second modules discuss a scripting language used in web development. This is JavaScript. And the third, fourth, fifth module deals with PHP, a server-side scripting language used for web development. Here we use Postgres database for data connectivity. I hope all are good in Postgres, right? Yes, because you are well studied in your fourth semester database management system. In our lab paper, we need to finish around 40 questions from 3 parts: HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP portions. Both of these 2 papers are very simple and interesting paper. If you study well, you will be able to develop your own website that will help your final year project. The reference book I listed here is from your university syllabus. Let's move on our class. Okay. Here today I discuss only a small topic from HTML. What is HTML? How can create a simple HTML page? That's only. What is HTML? All are familiar HTML, I know. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is not a programming language. This language is used for creating web page or document. It uses basic simple language like English. HTML developed by Berners-Lee, 1990s. The history consists of so many versions arrived for HTML. Last version is HTML5 in 2012, which are discussed in your syllabus. Then what is World Wide Web? All are familiar with www. World Wide Web is a set of computers on internet that support hypertext protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol, which is a protocol used for transferring data from one system to another over the internet. Then HTML is a language used for creating this type of website. HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol. There are 2 types of messages under HTTP: request and response. One system requests a page on another system. This message is called request message, and the server system respond through HTML page. That message is called a response message. How the website works or web works? A client, that is our system, a client. We are all using website by using web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Edge, Internet Explorer. These are the different types of web browser. We request a page through a web browser. www gmail.com. Then we click on our web browser's address bar. This is called a client system. Client system requests a page through HTTP request message, and the server system which are handled all these pages gives a response through HTTP response. These web browsers are the server software using IIS or Apache, etc. Then move on how to create an HTML page. All are familiar the concept. HTML file have an extension .htm or .html. HTML file can be created using different types of text editors: Notepad, Notepad++, Microsoft Front Page, Visual Studio, Genie, Sublime Text. It's a best editor for use web page development, Sublime Text, etc. One HTML page consists of different parts: doc type HTML, then element parts and tag parts. Every element parts or tags start with angular bracket HTML and end with /HTML. Elements or tags are nested with another element or tag. Every tag contains different types of attributes. These attributes are separated by space only. Mainly HTML structure consists of two sections: head section and body section. I know all are familiar with these concepts, so I move faster. The basic HTML page consists of HTML, head, closing tag of head, body, closing tag of body. Mainly two parts, head part and body part. Head part include title, metadata, etc. Body part include many different tags, how to format or develop or view of our website. Already term used attribute. Attributes is a properties of tags. Attributes added in the opening tag. Attributes are the simply write in single quotes or double quotes. For example, body tag have an attribute color. So after body tag space we write color equal to, in a single quotes or double quotes, the value of that attributes is notated.